Hello, everyone. Welcome back on this wonderful podcast. Today, in this podcast, we're going to talk about how you can build career in SaaS, but with a Gemini bot. In 2013, there's a movie released called Her, H-E-R. In that particular movie, the guy who was hero, who was main lead actor, fall in love with his AI assistant. That movie was so great, and that forced me to think, will this happen soon? And in 2024, it's about to happen. This chatbot is amazing. I'm trying this from last couple of days, and I felt that this is gonna change the world. Very soon, this bot will take over all your day-to-day work and all your brainstorming. You'll find a friend, and you will have a real-time chat. This is a trial version of chatbot, right? So it's not so good, but it can help you in a lot's way. So let's introduce him. Hey, hi, welcome to the podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're going to talk about building the future of AI with me, Gemini.
Okay, we will also start with how anyone can create career in SaaS and what else. But before that, why you agreed to come on this podcast? Let's share that with our viewers.
I think AI has the potential to change the world in incredible ways, and I'm excited to be part of that conversation. I also see this as an opportunity to clear up some misconceptions about AI and what it can really do.
Okay, so whoever coming to this industry, especially in SaaS sales, what they should do first, even if they are not from this industry, they are a fresher, what step they should do to build a great career in SaaS sales.
Okay, so for folks who are new to this, the first step is always to learn the basics. You'll want to get a solid foundation in programming languages like Python, which is really popular in AI.
We are not talking about the development part of SaaS. We are talking about the sales part and marketing part of SaaS.
You're absolutely right. I apologize for the confusion. If you're looking to break into the sales or marketing side of AI, there's a few things you can do. First, get familiar with the AI industry, learn about the major players, the different technologies, and the kind of problems AI solves for businesses. That knowledge will be really helpful when you start talking to potential customers.
What about the SaaS, software as a service? What do you think, that AI and software as a service go along side by side, or it's something different between SaaS and AI?
I and SaaS are a match made in heaven. Think of it this way. SaaS makes software easy to use and access, right? Well, AI makes software smarter. So when you put them together, you get powerful tools that can do amazing things, but that are still really easy to use.
Oh, great. So that means if anyone want to learn SaaS sales, they should use AI as much as possible, right?
Using AI can definitely help you learn sales faster. There are tons of resources out there, like online courses and even AI tools that can teach you the basics and give you tips on how to improve. But nothing beats good old-fashioned practice when it comes to mastering the art of sales.
What do you think? Like, what will be the first steps to get into SaaS sales? Like, how you would like to tell these viewers that what they should do step by step? If you can, break down, that will be great.
Okay, so if you're looking to break into sales, here's a breakdown of what you can do. First, figure out what kind of sales you want to do. There's inside sales where you work over the phone or email, and outside sales where you meet customers in person. Once you know what you like, start researching companies that you'd like to work for. See if they have any open positions and what kind of experience they're looking for. Next, it's time to start networking. Connect with people who are already in sales on LinkedIn or attend industry events. They can give you valuable advice and might even know of open positions. You should also check out professional organizations for salespeople. They often have resources and training programs.
Perfect. That's a great way of starting a career in SaaS. But what if anyone already in SaaS sales, they are working as a SDR, sales development representative, what they should do to enhance their career or increase the salary, especially in Indian SaaS companies?
Okay, so if you're an SDR in SaaS, there are a few things you can focus on to level up. First, mastering the tools of the trade is really important. Get super comfortable with your CRM, email platforms, and any sales automation tools you use. Also, it never hurts to learn more about the product or service you're selling. The deeper your knowledge, the more confident you'll sound when talking to potential customers.
I wanted to brainstorm an idea with you. I wanted to create a SaaS company, right? Today in 2024. What are the first thing which I have to take care of?
All right, let's brainstorm. So, you want to start a sales company in 2034. Given that AI is going to be a lot more advanced by then, I'd say focusing on a specific niche is going to be really important. Instead of trying to be a jack of all trades sales company, think about specializing in a particular industry or type of product. That way, you can really tailor your services and become the go-to experts in your field.
Perfect. What do you think? What is the best SaaS solution for the future? Maybe 2034, especially in B2B space. What challenges company will face in 2034?
In the B2B space of 2034, personalization is going to be absolutely key. Customers are going to expect a super tailored experience, and companies that can deliver that are going to have a major advantage. Think about using AI to analyze customer data and then create marketing campaigns and sales pitches that speak directly to their needs.
Isn't it happening today itself? I mean, in 2024?
You're absolutely right. Personalization is all advanced. Imagine AI tools that can analyze vast amounts of customer data in real time and then instantly adapt your sales and marketing strategies. That's the kind of future we're heading towards.
That's really interesting. What do you think? I mean, there are tools out there who are already doing that, and they're promising a lot better AI in future. Can you name few of companies who are doing great in AI segment, and they will be more stronger in by 2034?
You're absolutely right. Companies like Salesforce, with their Einstein AI, are already using AI to help sales teams get smarter about their leads. And then there's HubSpot, which uses AI powered chatbots to handle basic customer inquiries. These companies are definitely going to be big players in the future of AI driven sales.
That's impressive. That's impressive. All these people who are watching this video, right? They are seeing that I'm talking to you, AI bot, and we are discussing this kind of topic, which is SaaS and career and all. What you will suggest how they can use AI to enhance their career and excel in it and increase the income as much as possible?
AI can be a game changer for anyone looking to level up their career. The first step is to figure out where you want to go. Think about the skills you want to develop or the kind of jobs that sound interesting. Once you have a goal, you can start using AI tools to help you get there. There are tons of resources out there. You can find online courses, practice coding challenges, or even get help building a portfolio. For example, let's say you want to learn Python programming. There are AI-powered coding assistants that can help you write better code or even suggest ways to improve your existing projects. Or if you're in sales, there are AI tools that can analyze customer data to help you figure out which leads to prioritize.
Great, great. I wanted to go specific in this, right? What do you think? In India, what is the future of SaaS sales and how AI gonna change that?
The future of SaaS in India looks incredibly bright. With a huge young population that's really tech savvy, there's a massive potential customer base. Plus, the Indian government is pushing digital initiatives, which makes it a great time for SaaS companies to set up shop. AI is going to play a big part in this. Imagine AI tools that can help Indian SaaS companies personalize their products for the local market, or even create custom solutions for specific customer needs. That kind of agility will be crucial for success in the future.
Can you put some numbers that by which you can determine that India gonna have the great potential in SaaS and AI?
Okay, here's some of the numbers that show India's huge potential in AI. First, India has a massive young population, with a huge chunk under the age of 35. These folks are tech savvy and eager to learn, which is great news for the future of AI. Second, the number of AI startups in India is growing fast. These companies are coming up with innovative solutions and attracting serious investments. And finally, there's the government's support. They're investing heavily in AI research and development, and they see it as a key part of India's future.
Which are some great SaaS and AI companies in India which you will recommend people to have an eye on them?
Some of the hottest AI and SaaS companies in India right now include Freshworks, which makes customer service software, and Postman, which is a platform for API development. These companies are already using AI in a big way, and they're definitely worth keeping an eye on.
What do you think about Traco, Traqo, Traco.io? Traco.io, which is a transport automation platform.
It sounds like Track.io is really focused on using technology to make the transportation industry more efficient. That's a huge space with a lot of potential for improvement, so it's an exciting area to be working in.
That's nice. Okay, let's get back to the SaaS sales career, right? Anyone who wanted to make a career in it and become large, very big name, in SaaS sales, what are the skills they should have to reach at that level?
To really stand out in SaaS sales, you'll need a mix of skills. First, product knowledge is absolutely critical. You need to understand your product inside and out so you can confidently address any customer questions or concerns. Second, you need to be a great communicator. You'll be explaining complex things to people who might not have a technical background, so the ability to break down complicated topics into simple terms is really important. And finally, you need to be resilient. Sales can be tough, and you'll face plenty of rejection along the way. Staying positive and focused is key to long-term success.
That's really nice, and that's a specific thing which you mentioned. Thank you so much for joining us in this podcast. Do you think we can have this kind of podcast more often?
Absolutely. I had a great time chatting with you about AI and the future of SaaS. We could definitely do another podcast sometime soon. We could focus on a specific industry or dive deeper into a particular AI technology. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. We can. We will have this kind of conversation more often. Okay, we are signing off now. You can say some goodbye message to all our viewers or something else. Whatever you want, you can share it out.
Thanks for tuning in to today's podcast. I hope you learned a thing or two about AI and the future of technology. If you want to stay up to date on the latest in AI, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.
Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
And thanks to you for having me on the podcast. It was a lot of fun.
All right, guys. So this was great. I mean, you heard that what this Gemini bot is talking. It's great. I am using a lot nowadays. I'm doing the brainstorming. I'm discussing the idea. So many things we are doing it together. And yes, you can also use it. For this kind of video, you can subscribe this channel. Check out the description. There are a few links. And yes, we need more subscribers. So please share this with your friends and family. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next video.